Hello, my name is Greg, and today I will be doing a speed paint set in the Warhammer 40k universe and revolving around a very popular group, the Sisters of Battle. And the twist is, this sister has fallen to the forces of chaos. And it makes a lot of sense if you know any lore once you think about it, because this group is just so fanatical in their belief that the Emperor is immutable and a living god that you can just see someone like Khorne step in and start influencing this group very easily. So I thought that was a really cool prompt and wanted to run with it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to let me know below.
Ganja smoking, we got rum in me cup. Bad gals wind up on the dance floor. All the gals wind up on the dance floor.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10, whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10, whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Oh, yeah, I've disgusted with myself and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect